Peace, what's going on, crew? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. I have the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro right here with the denim case on it, which looks like really sick. Also have a nice custom theme on here, so that when you actually unlock the screen, you can get to any app just by double tapping it. But you got to put the facial recognition in. But let's just put the fingerprint in, and just wanted to show you guys real quick. When we go to settings and we go to system apps updater, you're gonna notice that there's a few things here. Number one is my video right here, which is going to have an update from today. Well, yesterday, that was March 9th. And it says it's gonna give you added live TV channels, reveal video for better viewing, and then you also get a system launcher right here, basically an app drawer. So you get an app drawer, and app categories are available now. You can adjust the UI of the app drawer too. Icon size can be changed, and we optimized animations for editing mode as well. And you also get right here themes that fix the bugs and everything. You go down some more, and it has right here a system fix bugs and stuff. It says February 21st, optimizes performance compatibility adjustments for multiple devices. And then you also get this cloud, Xiaomi Cloud, which fixes bugs. Let's just go ahead and update every last one of them. So once these actually finish updating, then actually, oh wow, this is happening kind of quick right here. Okay, never mind, I don't even have to pause the video or nothing like that. But the biggest thing is the app drawer, because one thing you'll notice is that this thing is still loading. But one thing you'll notice is that this phone doesn't have an app drawer, which is weird. But let me just wait for this to finish. But that's the crazy part, because now you get the ability to add an app drawer, which is cool. So let me just see how that would work. Okay, so you can see that's how it would normally look right there. So let's just hold down, and you can go right here, settings. Okay, so it says transition effects, set default screen. Okay. Let's go hit more right here, and then it says home screen regular or with app drawer now. So you can hit app drawer and then hit that, and then let's just try this, see what this looks like. This is actually gonna be pretty cool. So swipe up. Wow, so that's crazy. So now you can actually get an app drawer. I never seen that before until just now. So that's actually really cool, because that was one of the things I actually missed about my Android devices, was to have an app drawer. But now that this thing has an app drawer, that's really cool. Let's also go into about phone, and let's check out the software that we're actually running. So we're still on November, it says right here, 2019. Let me see if there's any updates in this thing. Hold on. Security status right here, security updates. Alright, so this is actually really cool now. So that's actually the thing I was waiting for, was the app drawer. I was telling myself the other day, like, I hope this thing gets some updates. Maybe even to some more camera updates, because whenever they do camera updates, they always add a really cool feature to it. So hopefully we'll get some more camera updates. But and even the right now I'm running on the 11.03, so hopefully they update that as well. But the patch level is at November right now, so it's a little bit backed up. Hopefully we get a security patch soon. Okay, so I'm running a security update right now, and it says no updates available. But this is the 11. I remember I had the 10 like last month, so that's definitely pretty cool. We just need like a patch on this thing. But if you found this helpful, hit the bell icon so you could get notified for more videos just like this. But make sure you guys stay locked in for more videos just like this. And in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening. And depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, girl. Peace.